Welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Death toll in Cancona building collapse. Tragedy reached 25. Concrete cutter machine arrives. Clearing work resumes. No decision of demolition yet. Disaster management proves to be total disaster at Cancona. CM2 upset. Helpline number given very unhelpful. Prudent conducts telephonic sting. Goa Assembly completes 50 years. Speaker CM tells MLAs to study issues and not to debate for camps in house. Meera Kumar graces the function. Six SPs transferred, 3 DIGs given additional charges. Kuttatkar out of crime branch, Karthik given additional charge of crime branch. And pay parking scam at Kalangut. Human rights organization lodges a complaint after sting. Demand action. MLA Michael Lobo promises strict action. Now the news in detail. Finally, the much-awaited debris clearing machinery reached at the building collapse site in Cancona. The work of clearing the collapsed slab began on Thursday evening. Decision on demolition of adjacent buildings might come by midnight. Till now, 25 bodies have been recovered and 2 more are inside stuck under the debris. Builder is still at large. Meanwhile, the Madgaon court granted anticipatory bail to the municipal engineer Jan14.
The machinery transported from Mumbai to clear the debris reached Cancona on Thursday morning. It is a vibration-free concrete clearing cutter. The debris clearing work began in the afternoon. Till now, the clearing operation has recovered 25 bodies. 2 more were sighted on Thursday after clearing the collapsed slab. Officers say more bodies might be recovered later.
ज्या गोष्टीची आवश्यकता आशिल्ली ते डेमोलिशिंग स्क्वॉडाचे मोटे एंड एसोसिएट्स हांचे जे वॉल्वो मशीन आसा 12.5 मीटर हायट ते आज हांगा 12 वरांचेर हांगा पावले आनी त्यानंतर आमी आमचो जो सबंद बार चार्ट आसा तो फिक्स केलो. आतां आमकां 2 प्रेतां मेळिल्लीं आसा. त्या शिवाय थंय 2 प्रेतां दिसता ताच्या सकयल आनी प्रेतां आसता. आमी अशें डिसिजन घेतलां की इमिजिएट आतां हें मशीन वापरून जे NDRFचे जवान आनी आमचे जे फायर सर्विसीचे जवान आसा इतले बेगीन आमी बिल्डींग मोडपाक तयारी करूं ना. बिल्डींग मोडपाची तयारी सांजची जातली. जो पर्यंत सगळीं प्रेतां आमच्या हातांत मेळटली त्यानंतरूच बिल्डिंगेक आमी हात घालतले.
Meanwhile, court has granted anticipatory bail to the municipal engineer Jan14. Court had earlier dismissed the anticipatory bail plea of building contractor Vishwas Desai. Punch member of Village Panchayat Agonda Sapnesh Desai has hit out at the contractor Vishwas Desai. Vishwas Desai's bail plea order and the fate of arrested Deputy Town Planner Prakash Bandodkar will be decided on 13 January.
विश्वास देसाय म्हणटा का आतां कोस्टल बिल्डर हो आनी हे मॉडर्न बॉडी बिल्डींग तितून तेणें कांयच उजार केलें ना. काम तितून खडी घातली ना, तोस घातली ना आनी सगळीं मॉडर्न बॉडी अमके लोक मेला हे सगळे लोकां तरी खबर आसा आनी काणकोणकारांक खबर आसा आनी भायल्या आसा आख्ख्या देशां हें गाजता प्रकरण. आनी तेका JSIDCन तेका 1.5 कोट्याचें हायस्कुलान रिपेर करपाचें काम दिल्लें आसा आनी तें तेणी ताबडतोब बंद करचें. कारण हेतू तेणी कांयच घातलें ना जाल्यार तो थिंग म्हण कितें काम करतलो. सद्या गव्हर्मेंटाक खुस्तार तो आतां हें कांयच काम करना. कस म्हण तो कोण सांगतालो म्हाका तो दर्या कसाण उजार करता म्हणून हायस्कुलांनी आनी भुरग्यां आमगेलीं भितर बसतात हायस्कुलांनी आनी हायस्कूल रिपेर कशें कोण करतलो.
Bureau Report Prudent.
Disaster management at Cancona proved to be a total disaster. When we called the central helpline number to track a missing person, they replied that they don't have any information regarding missing persons and gave number of Cancon police station. When we contacted on the number, it was out of order. The miscoordination among authorities is evident on building demolition decision too. Even after CM's order, the buildings are still standing and there is no clarity on the issue. Disaster management has totally collapsed in Cancon. There is no proper coordination between disaster management and the government. While CM says tilted buildings will be raised down, Deputy Collector says that they are awaiting a report for final decision.
We will take decision and demolish that other building. I think that is the best option available. Push that building down.
दोन बिल्डिंग demolish करतले अशें कितें?
Actually, the structural stability assessment is that process is not completed. The moment that technical experts' advice comes to the government, we will take appropriate measures after the particular report only.
तो कलेक्टर कितें सांगतलो ताका हांव स्वता थंय उबो रावला न्ही कितें करप आनी कशें करप हें सुद्दां कोणाक खबर ना मशिनां हांवें हाडूंक लायल्या I got everyone down the line. I found out, to be frank, to my sort of pain, that there was no leadership on the site. That is why Chief Minister had to stand for. It's a shame that I had to stand there for 6 hours because I was not very confident that the other team will take over, disaster team will take over.
It was announced that Central Helpline number has every information regarding Cancon victims. We called on that number posing as one of the relatives of a missing labourer. They replied that they do not have any information about the missing person.
हमारे पास जो नाम है 25 की संख्या है हाँ। लेकिन उसमें आप जो बोल रहे हैं वो नाम नहीं है अपना कानकोन का पुलिस स्टेशन है हाँ। उनका नंबर दे देता हूँ मैं आपको हाँ। उनसे बात कर लेना और आगे पूछ लेना 0832 26 33 357.
When we called Cancon police station on the number given by the helpline, it was out of order. Meanwhile, relatives of the deceased are upset as they are not entertained properly and sent back without answering their queries. Bureau Report, Prudent. The Golden Jubilee celebration function of State Assembly concluded in a formal gathering at Kala Academy. Lok Sabha Speaker Meera Kumar graced the function and captivated the audience with a speech in Kokni. CM Parrikar said that legislators today needed in-depth study of issues and legislation should not be influenced by live TV telecast.
Your erstwhile Chief Minister Srimati Shashi Kala Kakotkar and the first woman member of your Legislative Assembly, Srimati Urmila Lima Letao, remain symbols of women empowerment. Goeche na vat karun lan jale mahan, varkhanichi devra jale lamarti ve pran. Raktache tel karun raat jagaili, संसाराची शांत करून तान भगैली धाय दिको गायता ताचे फायचे यशोगान.
Parliament, I find there hardly any discussions and serious concerns can be raised about many legislations for having not really debated properly. Who is to be blamed is not my issue. Quality of legislators, particularly with the TV media focusing on the MLAs and MP, I think populistic aspect and more focus is the criteria rather than in-depth study which should be part of the legislation. In fact, I have been instrumental in raising many issues.
लोकप्रिय कायदे करप, लोकप्रिय भाषणां करप, लोकप्रिय कामकाज करप हें सोपें आसता. पण लोकहिताचे कायदे करप आणि लोकप्रिय हिता खातीर वावरप हें वेगळें आसता.
And try to empower our better halves in this country. There is a movement for reservation for women's 1/3 reservations. I do not know it should go through in times to come. Only very few claps. Men are not clapping.
The legislature plays a crucial role in the process of governance in the state. It is through this powerful forum that the people of the state are able to articulate and realize their needs and aspirations, ventilate their genuine grievances, and also redress their problems. As the supreme representative body of the people of the state, the Legislative Assembly has a great responsibility in the affairs of the state and is a vehicle that fulfills the democratic aspirations of the people.
Goa government has transferred 6 superintendents of police and 3 DIGs have been given additional charges. DIG Om Prakash Kutadkar has been transferred from crime branch to tourist security. ANC SP Kartik Kashyap has been given charge of crime branch. SP Vijay Singh has been transferred to security. SP Vishram Borkar has been transferred to police headquarters and SP Arvind Gawans has been transferred to traffic cell.
Goa government on Thursday transferred 6 superintendent of police, SP Om Prakash Kudtarkar, crime branch to tourist, SP Kartik Kashyap from ANC to crime ANC additional, SP Vijay Singh from traffic to security, SP Arvind Gawans from headquarters to traffic, SP Vishram Borkar from tourist to headquarters, SP Tony Fernandes from FRRO and security to FRRO. Tony Fernandes will retire from service from 31st of January. After that, Vijay Singh will take over charge of FRRO. All 3 DIGs will handle the following responsibility: DIG AJ Vyas, EOC SIT Headquarter, DIG OP Mishra, Crime ANC Security, DIG Brahma Singh, SB Wireless. A senior reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.